Hello, welcome to Morning Coffee with Maddog Merv, and I'm really not awake yet. Got a beautiful Mother's Day on tap. Happy Mother's Day to the mothers out there in the world, and for the fathers that are having to play the part of both mother and father. So let's see what we got going on the channel today, shall we? I think the coffee, that will definitely help.
Morning coffee.
Maddog Merv today.
Got our French roast this morning again.
No wonder I'm a big fat guy. I mean,
And then
holy
they
cow.
I always had a schmear.
So he's probably going for bagels. His friends do.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I have no clue.
And I got a bunch of chores to do. Oh, who wants to do that?
Today I'm going to skip the shout out. Brain isn't connected yet, so I apologize. Last week we didn't do a main show. For morning coffee last week, we were in Las Vegas, actually Henderson, Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas, and man, a lot of fun, great time. And tomorrow's show, I'm gonna show you guys some of our time there in Vegas. And we had a major announcement. Those who were part of Morning Coffee last week heard about it. We're going to mention it again and go into a little bit more detail on what it really is. And that is we launched a new business. So we're going to talk about that on tomorrow's show, as well as the model show that was in Las Vegas. And 2 weeks from yesterday, we got a local show here in Salt Lake City that I'll be dealing with. So anyway, tomorrow's show, that's what we're going to be covering. On the Kit Hoarder Stash this week, we looked at that 64 Impala SS, the lowrider kit. And the reason I picked it up to begin with is I wanted to do Cheech's, lowrider from the Cheech and Chong movies. It's really a nice kit, and I'm tempted to do something else with it, but one of you guys made a really great comment and said that, all those extra parts and, cool things that are in there, I could use on another, particularly Chevy kit, but yeah, I could use it on another kit. And I got thinking, oh yeah, I got some other kits I could turn into a really neat lowrider with those parts. So I got looking, and I found some STL files for the conversion for the Cheech and Chong kit, to make it a Cheech and Chong car, and went ahead and downloaded it, printed them up already, and yes, that is going to be my rendition of Cheech's lowrider when I get around to building it. So made that decision, and thank goodness. Again, as I mentioned some things, you guys come to the rescue and help me out, let me know where the right stuff is, and so yeah, that's what we're going to do with that. Might be a while before I get around to it, but definitely it's going to be a fun one. So this week on the Kit Hoarder Stash, we're going to look at a Mercury Cyclone kit that I picked up. Pretty excited about it. It's very similar to the Fairlane kit that was out, but obviously some differences. So we're going to look at that this upcoming Thursday. So this week, wow, this week flew by. I can't believe how quick. Most weeks for me move pretty quickly. This one was at light speed. So I got back Sunday night, just in time for the end of a family barbecue. And then this week, I kind of took stock of what I had sold, which wasn't a great show financially for me, but this week I spent a lot of time working with the new with the new business. And I'll talk to you guys more about that on tomorrow's show. But, sending pictures to my friend at Kit Links, and he deciding which ones we were going to make the print out of, that type of thing. I looked at the calendar. We were less than 3 weeks away. Now we are less than 2 weeks away from the show here in Salt Lake City, the Rocky Mountain Hobby Expo, and I want to try and recoup some of my costs. The Vegas trip just financially wasn't a good one for me, so I need to try and recoup some of that cost. What I'm focusing on right now is getting the kits together, getting the prints. What I'm going to do with certain prints together for that particular show. So that's kind of where I've been this week, is not really building much of anything in the way of models, for me and for fun. It's really been work. I did do a little bit of work on a stage that I'm putting together for some of these figures that's going to go in the diorama here, and I'll show that to you guys in a few weeks. But that part's coming together. I did paint the body of that 55 Ford, because why not? I mean, it's beautiful, and I wanted to get going on it. So it didn't take long. I used a different primer, and man, it went quick and easy. And again, that's in another show that I will show you guys coming up when I get that build complete. But that's a fun one there. So that was this week. I mean, it was just very, very busy doing model related stuff. But as you guys know, after following me for all these years, a lot of places they'll have a kit that they'll bring out, and they'll build it, and you might get an installment or two, and they'll go through the whole thing and have it all done. Well, with me, my attention span isn't quite that long. I get a lot of creative ideas for other things. Yes, I'm still working on the Torino. Yes, I'm still working on about 6 or 7 other projects too. Just a little bit here and there, painting this or prepping that, so that when it comes time to do some painting, poof, I can just get right on it. But you guys that have followed me, you guys know that my attention span, I'm like a fart in a whirlwind. Okay, I'm everywhere, and trying to do so many things at once. In my older age, I am slowing down a bit, so it's a little frustrating that I can't get everything done. But there's definitely some fun things coming up, and I think some things you guys are going to like. So we'll talk about one of those on tomorrow's show. And yes, I am still working on some car projects. Like I said, just a little bit here and there. Maybe some prep work for 15-20 minutes one morning, and maybe spraying a little bit on a body another day, gluing a few components together on another downtime that I have. So yeah, a lot going on. A lot going on in a lot of different directions, but my hope is that it's going to come together into some pretty neat stuff. And right now the goal, after I get the model shows out of the way, the goal is to get this diorama going, because it's going to be fun. So I won't keep you guys. It is Mother's Day, and I have some amazing grandkids, and that's because their mothers, my daughters, have done an amazing job with them. And so I've got lots to celebrate, lots of family time to do some things. We've got a rack of ribs that's on the smoker already. That's going to be really good. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Rest of a wonderful weekend. Join us tomorrow to see the weirdness that was Vegas. And well, you guys have a good week. We will talk to you tomorrow, and we'll see you for the Kit Hoarder Stash. Bye-bye.